Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're checking out all of the Hot Wheels 2020 N-Case cars that we've opened up on the track, the brand new castings as well as the new color variations. So smash a big thumbs up, make sure you are a subscriber so you don't miss case unboxings as well as brand new castings from Hot Wheels. Now let's get straight into the track testing. Alright, first up we're going to check out the 2020 Dodge Ram. Man, look at it go, not bad at all. Did wipe out there, but I think, because it's got such big wheels, it's not that great on the track. But you know what? It's a pretty cool brand new casting. There, we got a bit of a wipeout in the booster. Now, the 96 Chevrolet Impala SS. Look at it go. Oh, what? I thought this would be much better on the track. Not too bad. It does slow down before it gets into the booster again, but you know what? I really like this casting, so I'm pretty impressed with the way it's performing on the track. Smash it a big thumbs up. Time for the McLaren Speedtail. I don't know how this one's going to go. Ooh, not very fast, and it fell out of the loop. Not sure what it is about the Speedtail, but I feel like it was catching in the corner here. Let's try it again. Yeah, something on the bottom of that car is definitely catching on the corner. One we've all been waiting to see is the Koenigsegg Jesko. I think it's perfect for the 6-lane Super Raceway, not so much for a track builder track set. Just cannot keep the speed, and I'm going to say it's because the front scoop is very big. Alright, let's check out Duck and Roll. How is this one going to go? I think it's actually a pretty good car. Yeah, it's very fast around the track. Bad color, but pretty cool track star car. Let's try the McLaren P1. This is probably my favorite color of the McLaren P1. Ooh, I think the front, yeah, fell out of the loop. The front scoop was definitely catching in the curve there. Let's put on Sky Boat. I'm not holding my breath for this one. Ooh, it went around the loop. Oh, it went around again. I'm very surprised. I thought it would wipe out. Is it a track star? It's not even a track star. All right. I take that back. It's a pretty good car on the track, but I still don't like it. All right, let's check out Skull Shaker. This is a track star car, so he should work pretty well on the track. Oh, actually not that well at all. Let's go again. Oh, very slow. Not impressed. I don't like the casting, and it doesn't work on the track. Let's try out another track star car, Roller Toaster. Wipe out. Too fast. Yep, not bad. I mean, it is a track star, so I would expect it to not be bad, but some of them just don't work. It keeps wiping out. Let's look at the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. Yeah, this one doesn't fit in the track. That one's not going to work at all. What about Quick Bite? This is probably too tall to go in the booster. Yeah, it doesn't fit under that track loop there. Bit disappointing. Alright, it's the 91 GMC Cyclones turn around the track. I remember the black one was pretty good, and this one is sort of the same. Lost all of its speed, but hey, it goes pretty well on this track. You know what, I really like this casting, so it wouldn't matter even if it didn't work properly. It's still a cool car. Alright, McLaren Senna. This one has a very big front scoop. Yeah, just going to lose all its speed in that corner when the scoop is hitting the bottom there. Or lip, the lip on the bumper. I have been corrected by subscribers before to call it the lip and not the scoop. Alright, let's check out the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Oh, that slowed down in the corner as well. No, what? I'm a little disappointed. I thought this car would go a lot better. Alright, let's see the Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510 here. got a no lip there, so it should be all right. Yeah, look at it go. You can even hear it on the track. It's pretty nice. Was doing a bit of a wipeout there. Oh, and I flipped it over. Try again. Yeah, it's a pretty nice car on the track. Big thumbs up from me. Make sure you are a subscriber to the Hot Wheels Garage so you get to see us test all the new cars and casting colors on the track. All right, time for High Beam and his white and pink colors. What? Let's go again with High Beam. Whoa, better push it properly. Yeah, not too bad. Too fast out of the loop there, coming right off the track. Oh, what's going on with me? Come on. Come on. Oh, we got around twice. Let's check out the Aston Martin 177. I'm sure this one works well on the track, but let's see the red color. What? Another slow car? Gee, a lot of cars lost speed out of that loop today. You know what? I still like it. Didn't wipe out. Time for the Jaguar XESV Project 8. This car I know doesn't work very well. Yeah. Let's do it again. Yeah, I can hear it catching in the curves. Yeah, a bit of a fail, but it's a nice car. What do we got left here? We've got the 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible. This has got a very big lip. Lost its speed, but it went around that loop not too bad. Can it do it again? Ooh, nice. That's all right. Didn't fall out, didn't wipe out. Oh, last car is the 67 Camaro. This is going to be pretty cool, I know it. Oh, what was I saying? I'll do that again. This is going to be pretty cool, I know it. Hang on a second. Alright, this is the third time lucky. Hey, it doesn't work in the booster. What's going on? Oh man, this car hardly even fits in the booster. I thought this one worked okay last time. It just... Oh, well that's a bit of an epic fail. Alright, smash a big thumbs up for today's video testing all these cars out on the track. Don't forget, make sure you are a subscriber to the Hot Wheels Garage so you see when we get brand new castings from the Hot Wheels cases as well as all the brand new color variations. Make sure you have smashed a big thumbs up, and everyone, thanks for watching.